traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I'm definitely still looking at this as a 1, 2, 3 of an expanding flat. I think we're currently in the wave 3 of a 5-way pattern, which most likely will take us up above the previous highs for this expanding flat. So taking a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, that makes this right here wave 1. I think this is a running flat for a wave 2. Then we have 5 waves up right here for a 1, I believe, a 1 of 3. So WXY 2 of wave 3. That means that we are very likely now in a wave 3 of wave 3, which I think will, over the coming months, continue to make higher highs, higher lows, at least on these higher time frames. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, very, very strong move to the upside. I definitely wouldn't be trying to fight these trends. I mean, I believe we're in a wave 3 right now, and at least until we get some sort of a significant break of structure on the daily 4 hour time frame to the downside, I definitely would be only looking for longs and only looking to go long on pullbacks on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement of this last little push up. I'm definitely now looking for a pullback entry. We did break down a little bit, but really, I mean, not much at all. It very easily could just make a tiny little correction and just keep on trending up. So definitely be aware that the trend is up on every single time frame. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, it kind of looks like it's trying to make an entry right now, to be honest with you. I kind of feel like it's more likely to make a bigger pullback, but when you're in a wave 3, on the higher time frames, sometimes you get what my mentor would call a blasting effect, and you just get a little ABC correction and it just keeps on trending up. But I think it's probably more likely it'll stretch out into a bigger correction, maybe more of these moves to the downside. It is Monday and it is a bank holiday in the UK, so it seems more likely that today would be more of a corrective day. So I'm hoping to see a nice 3-way pattern to the downside, a nice Fibonacci bounce, a nice engulfing move to the upside, and preferably even a break of structure for my next entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Probably not likely to happen today, but probably within the first couple of days of the week, I would expect to see another ABC correction to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.